Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to find greatest number of three given numbers without max method step by step. Step 1. Ask the user to enter three integer values. Read the three integer values in number 1, number 2, and number 3. Step 2. Check if number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 3. If return true, then print number 1 is the greatest number. Step 3. If return false, then check if number 2 is greater than number 1 and number 3. If true, then print number 2 as the greatest number. Step 4. If return false, then print number 3 as the greatest number. Finally, when we execute this program, we will get the result as shown. If you want to download the code, click to description.